Once upon a time, there was this guy who tried to make everyone laugh.
Yo, dog, a wicked joke, you tell me, dog. That joke is wicked. I bet you not tell me why the chicken cross the road.
Why?
Because he want to go over the next side. So, man, them not laugh.
Dog, okay, you talk about the minibus where I go down the road, dog. You're boring, you.
So the man, them not laugh.
You're lame, dog. Excuse me, dog. Come something do it better than that, dog. Nah, use it.
Let's say a word, let's say a word. Let's think.
But he failed.
Yo, a wicked one, dog. Sick. Yo. Jack and Jill, you see? They go up the hill. Jack never go. And guess what? Jill get pilled.
You sick. You need.
Boom. Watch it. Run go.
Yo, come here.
Run go for your joke now, dog.
Come back.
And he failed again.
Yo, Baba, I have a wicked joke with you, dog.
Where you coming now, Chargy? Talk to me. Hold on, I'm general. Me here with myself.
I bet you tell me why the Baba get chicken and face over there.
Why?
Because he fuck up on one lineup.
Dog, what that? And a joke that joke them, that joke them touch my friend. All your joke them lame, come with something unexpected, my friend. That joke them make it, none at all. You see me? Cause I was a barber too, you know. You forgot? I'm not sure about my friend line. Look on it. Oh, you see what going?
Nah, the joke them boring, yeah.
Just go on, dog, and come out of my shop, dog. I'll find some better joke, dog. Go on. Go on, dog. Go on.
Sorry.
Yeah, man. Go on.
And he failed again and again and again.
Look there. The boy never saw peace.
Hey boy, Janet!
Janet, please, look at it.
Look at my finger! No goodie!
So if I get man them joke from here, the whole of them and nobody not laugh. The girl them split a while ago and laugh. So that means say me plus penis equal girl them a laugh. Okay, right. Who said me never funny? See it ya?
Run with the boy. Girl, you know see it. All him do a beat and I will treat. Me will be a man. Me will be a man.